Hey guys, Pop Scrap here, and today I'm scrapping out in America they call them a Weedwhacker. In England, Ireland we call them a strimmer. For cutting weed and that. I took off all the Phillips screws out of it, just not to slow me down with the video. I'm going to get into it. I cut the cable off, there was a handle on it, just have to throw it into the big stove of ours to burn it. Plastic, well it's not plastic, it was wooden kind of handle. It was on it, makeshift job it was, because the handle was gone. So I'm just going to go through this here quick and see what we can get in it. There'll be a lot of plastic in it. As you can see, there was rope holding things together, keeping it all together. But what I'd say to be in this to be a motor. Getting plenty of a mess. Good plan, will you? So what we have here, let's cut this here for a minute. There's plenty of wire in it, and a motor hopefully. This is electrical, there should be a motor in it. That's aside for a second. So we have a bit of wire here and a switch. So we'll cut all this out. A lot of plastic here, so nice little bit of wire. This is a switch, people that's into gold recovery and stuff. To be silver in this, silver contact. I'm going to get on to Scrap in Irish. I'm going to, if you're watching, look at my videos, can you send me your email address? Because I want to, or your email, sorry, because I want to get you to send me your address, because I'm going to send you all my gold recovery stuff. I haven't got time to be at it, so I can post it to you. Here in Ireland it's very cheap for posting, so I don't mind posting it to you. Yeah, and I like to see someone make use of it, because I don't have time for that at the minute. So yeah, nice bit of wire. So get on with me, buddy. So a piece of plastic, put that over here out of the way. Another piece of plastic. As I said, there'll be a lot of plastic in this now. So we have a bit of wire there, a big long extension lead. Put all these bits out of the way so I can work with. Right. This part here should all come apart handy enough. No surprises of spiders, right? I don't really like spiders at all. So, a piece of rubbish. So we have a motor here. Comes apart very easy. This, there's not much to it, as you can see. There's 90%, well, 80% of it's plastic. So what we have here, we have a nice motor here. This should be copper, cut it and see. Yeah, it's copper motor. There you go. The wipe is in. So yeah, what we got out of this is small bit of wire, power lead, so what I'll probably do with this is I'm going to keep all the wire together. Bit of wire, a nice little motor, keep all that together and set it as it is. I might even take that out actually, a bit of copper out of it. Bit of brass plug, a little silver contact switch, and a lot of plastic, guys. It's a short video, just showing you what's inside it, but very easy taking apart. Would I do it again? Yes, because good bit of wire in it, nice little motor, and a bit of brass. So maybe there's a pound of wire there, pound a bit, pound a quarter. Good bit of plastic. What I'm going to do with that plastic is I'll put it back together and I'll put it back down to recycling centre for free. Take all my electrical off me for free, so that's what I'll be doing. So like, comment, subscribe guys, keep coming, keep joining my videos and share my videos, help me out. To the next one, see you next, bye.